What's up mga kapadyak, mga MTV viewers, kamusta kayo dyan? Pag nagbabike kayo minsan, di ba, parang ang ganda ng lugar, tapos gusto mong picturean, lalo kasama yung bike mo. Minsan gusto mo kasama ka rin, di ba? Most of the time ako, okay na yung bike, ang ganda ng paligid. Tapos gusto mo nakatayo yung bike mo, di ba? You want your bike standing up, di ba? Sometimes, and wala kang mapagpatungan ng pedal. There's no tree, there's no pavement, there's no rock or wood that would make your bike stand up, and it's frustrating sometimes. Tapos ginagamit mo minsan helmet, di ba? Lalagay mo sa lupa, papatungan mo ng pedal. Paano kapag maputik, di ba? Or madumi talaga. Ako minsan ayokong ilapag sa lupa yung helmet ko. So yun nga, kapag nandun ka sa lugar na maganda yung view, pero ayaw mo ilapag yung helmet mo para maging bicycle stand, and there's no other thing that you could use to make your bicycle stand, like a rock or a tree or any wood, what would you do? Diba? You have no choice but to lay down your bike. Yun, unfortunately, that's the only thing. Diba? Or tiisin mo na, gamitin yung helmet mo. What if ayaw mo gamitin yung helmet mo, di ba? There have been bicycle stands that's being advertised on Shopee, Lazada, or Facebook. I've tried those bicycle stands, and I'm gonna share with you what I think about them. Ito nga pala ay para doon sa mga naghahanap ng bicycle stands na madadalang nila or gusto nila bumili. So kung sasabihin mo, hindi ko naman kailangan yan di ba? Pa ako bibili niyan. This video is not for you. Pero kung curious ka lang, watch this video and I would share with you my insight about these bicycle stands. Para makapili ka rin, di ba? Malay mo, pasok sa budget mo, ba? First of all, this is not a sponsored video. Yan. Tinry ko itong mga bicycle stands na to. Yan. I'm going to show you also how to use these and what I think about them, the price, where you can buy them, and I'm going to show you a video on how I use them to have my bicycle standing for a photo op. Okay? So first off, we're going to review them using 4 categories. Bakit? Dahil yun yung magiging criteria mo sa pagbili ng mga bicycle stands na to. First is price, if it's cheap or not. Number 2, is it user friendly? Madali ba gamitin to? Hindi ba komplikado? Diba? It's not complicated to use. Diba? Number 3, portability. Madali bang dalhin to? Diba? Number 4, the design. Okay ba yung design niya? Ano yung advantage, disadvantage nun? Okay, ayun nga pala, singit ko itong Raglan Dry Fit t-shirt ko na Pearl Jam is from Bonk PH. Search them on Shopee and then makikita nyo yung wide choices niya ng mga Raglan shirts na puro rock bands. Sobrang gaganda, mura rin compared sa ibang brands. Meron sila long sleeves, meron silang short sleeves na Raglan. Ang dami niyang designs na makikita. You can also search them on Facebook. They're on Shopee. Order now while stocks last. Okay. When it comes to the fiberglass stands, this is the Ghost stand, I think. Ito smart stand, and this is from Gear Cycles. They're all the same material. Ito, ang price nito is nasa 100 to 150 ang range nito. So let's just categorize all of these 3 as fiberglass stands. So yun yung price niya. Ito yung cheapest na bicycle stands for me. And next is this Ionic bicycle stand. I think this is from Indonesia, I think. Yung price nito is nasa less than 500, pero it would cost you 500 plus because of the added shipping fee. I think I got this around 484 yung price. A few times more expensive than the fiberglass bicycle stand. Okay, lastly, this is called the portable bicycle kickstand. I'm not sure why they call it kickstand because hindi mo naman siya sinisipa para matayo yung bike mo. Now, this one is carbon. I think they have an option for steel. Price of this, it's a bit more expensive than the Ionic portable stand. This is 500 plus 582. This is the cheapest that I could find on Shopee. Meron na ito umaabot ng 1,000 plus, but when I look at the picture, it's almost the same as this. I got the carbon material na stand for this. Okay? Is it user-friendly when you're using the bicycle stand? Siyempre, number one ito, napaka-user-friendly na. It's just simple, pero it would take you a few minutes kung paano mo siya gagamitin kasi medyo mataas yung bike ko. It's a 27 plus. At first, itong smaller na ghost stand, hindi siya sakto dun sa pedal arm ko sa dulo. Ginagamit ko to na nakapatong yung pedal almost on the outer edge. Itong mga to, almost the same, although it's taller than the other one. Yan. I would put this on the pedal. It's easy to use, but sometimes I don't get the setup in just a minute. Sometimes it takes me an additional 3 to 5 minutes to have my bike standing. It depends on the terrain or the angle of surface where your bicycle is standing. If it's slanted, it might be harder or easier. It depends. If it's on flat, I think it's easier, pero yun nga, it's easy to use. Yun. Second, itong Ionic portable stand, medyo nakakalito siyang gamitin. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. Kasi kung titingnan mo ganyan, di ba? Isipin ko, matatanggal ko ba to? Yan. Ito yung pinaka foot niya or rubber ano niya. Magdadalawang isip ka kung hihilahin mo kasi masikip. Ayan. Tapos, hindi mo alam kung matatanggal ba tong mga to. Para saan to, di ba? So, ayan. Ganyan yung paggamit niya. Or dito. But at first, I wasn't able to figure out if removable tong dalawang to. Pero, yun nga, removable siya pareho. Ayan. So, yan. Medyo nakakalito lang gamitin talaga at first. Tapos ito, ma-adjust mo yung haba kasi meron siyang lock sa likod. Pwede mo ba mo pang konti. Ayan. Pwede mo rin siyang mag-ilugtong kung mas mahaba. Yan. Tapos nakaganyan. Yan. So nakakalito lang gamitin at first. Hindi siya ganun ka user friendly at first. Pero pag nakuha mo na, yun na. last but not least, itong portable na bicycle kickstand. It has two parts. This is the magnet na mount, and ito yung carbon na foldable. So para siyang pole ng tent, may garter that connects them, and yan, susok mo lang dito, wala, yan. Then ito yung pinaka foot, then dito mo i-insert itong magnetic mount. Ayan. Ayan. Yun. Based on the pictures nung pinilhan ko nito, parang madaling i-set up. Pero I think kapag maiksi yung skewers mo, hindi mo siya pwedeng ilagay sa skewers. Itong dulo na to. Ayan. Tinansya ko siya. I was hesitant to put this on the skewers. Fortunately, yung frame ko na 27 plus, it has additional mounts for rear rack. So dun ko kinabit, dun sa screw, dun sa malapit sa dropout, itong magnetic mount na to. Ayan. It took me a while na itayo yung bike ko using this kasi parang alanganin yung pwesto niya, and I think maiksi for my bike. Yun ang problem ko. Pero natayo ko naman. Kaso nga lang, you would have to determine where you would put this magnetic mount. It's either in your skewer, or if your frame has an additional mount or screw for a rear rack, you can put this there. Yun, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung video. Hindi ka pa pala nakasubscribe, hit that subscribe button and then smash that bell button na para updated ka sa mga reviews natin dito sa mga adventures sa channel na ito. Number 3 criteria is portability. Itong mga fiberglass stands, meron siyang kasamang mga pouch. Yan, pwede nyo siyang ilagay para siguro hindi magasgasan. Maliit lang din naman siya. Tansya ko, it's just over 3 inches yung length, and the width is just more than 2 inches yung width. So it's very portable. Pwede mo rin siyang ibulsa. You can put it in your pocket, your shorts. So this is very portable. Second, the Ionic portable stand. Ito portable din siya dahil you can remove all of this to make it portable. Ayan. So it's already portable. Ayan. Makikita nyo. Diba? These two are very portable. You can put these two inside your pocket shorts or your small bag. Yan. For this Corky portable bicycle kickstand, portable din siya, kaso nga lang, if it's carbon, ayaw mong ihalo sa ibang mong gamit, baka magasgasan kasi, di ba? Yun, and masisira siya eventually. So, I would suggest get the steel bicycle stand instead. Yun. When it comes to design, ito, napakasimple lang naman ang ginawa nila dito. Inukitan lang nila and nilagyan lang nila ng branding. And that's it. They just estimated the size or the space between your pedal or your crank arm to the ground. It's just a simple design. For me ito, napaka-okay niya. Napaka-innovative ng design na ginawa nila dito. Yan. Dahil na-adjust, for me, mas stable yung stand ng bike using this. Dahil mas may traction using this. Yan, mas may traction sa pedal. Ayan. Tapos, mas buo yung kapit dun sa pedal arm. Swak na swak. For me, ito yung pinaka-okay na design. Ito, for me, okay din siya. Kaso nga lang, parang napaka-alanganin niya sa malaking bike. Lalo yung material na ginamit, carbon, parang hesitant ako talaga na magasgasan to na ihalo sa mga other tools ko. Like for example, kahit sa mga house keys, baka magasgasan to and eventually masira siya. So yun ang problema dito. Pero okay din yung design niya. Parang ginamit niya yung pole tent na design na may garter and then magnet doon sa dulo. Ayun. So for me, pinaka-okay. And when it comes to design, ito. Ayan. Alright, that's my review, mga kapadyak, about bicycle stands. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong episode natin. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Kung ano yung mas type nyo, mas pasok sa budget nyo, or whatever. Click the thumbs up. Gusto nyo pa, thumbs down. Maiba naman, di ba? I hope to see you next episode. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. Peace!